The connectors. The diamonds shone like broken glass upon the midnight street, and all atop the walls were wet, their white eyes glint and sleek. Then from afar a gnome appeared. An angel flashed on fury feet. The boulevard became a river while waiting crowds began to quiver. I was in a motel watching, whiskey in my hand. Her breath was soft, the wind was warm. Someone in a room was born. Accomplishments. To make works in the face of the void, to gain form, identity, to rise from the herd crowd. Public favor, public fervor. Even the bitter poet madman is down, treading the boards. Cold electric music damage me, rend my mind with your dark slumber. Cold temple of steel, cold minds alive on the strangled shore. Veterans of foreign wars. We are the soldiers of the rock and roll.